Hi beautiful people, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some Egyptian cuisine as well as where to get food and how to order food as a Nigerian if you find yourself in Egypt. Please don't go anywhere. Chicken, yeah, chicken is fine.
One?
No. How much is one?
£5.
Give me 10. Hi people, so this is the app that saved my life while I was in Egypt. Guys, when I wanted to order food with no idea of restaurants and what to expect, the first thing that came to mind was actually Uber Eats. When I tried to use Uber Eats, I realized that they were shutting down in this area, Egypt. So I found Talabat app, and so I went on the app and I updated my info on it and I tried to place an order. It's really easy to use. All I simply did was type in what I really wanted, and then a lot of options that sell what I wanted. There's a lot of restaurants that sell what I wanted popped up, and all I needed to do was to select what I wanted and I placed an order. The most exciting part about using this app is that the delivery service in Egypt, from my experience, was very fast, guys. If the app estimates a given time, be sure that it's going to actually be that exact time, because every single time I ordered, they never exceeded the estimated delivery time, which was really cool. Because coming from Nigeria, where delivery can be crazy, it was actually a first, and I was really impressed. Okay, so besides that, it's also important to know that I had to use an Egyptian number to order. So without an Egyptian number, you won't be able to use the app. Now I'm going to show you guys a couple of food that I bought while I was here, and I would also be giving you guys my review. So in case you find yourself in Egypt and you're confused on what to try as a Nigerian, something that is safe and something you won't just waste your money on. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Bye. So guys, this is my package from this restaurant on Talabat, El Tahir. Okay. So I'm basically supposed to mix these things. I think I have my tomato here, I have fried onion, and I have hot sauce. So I'll just go in with this guy first. This feels like an adventure. I just hope I don't regret it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the tomato sauce, just around it. And fried onions. Okay, now it came with garlic sauce, but I'm not 100% sure I want to try this, because I'm not a fan of garlic to start with. So I'm just going to keep this aside and work with what we have here. This is really interesting. It's very popular in Egypt, and I feel like a lot of us would relate to this particular dish because it basically consists of ingredients that we're used to consuming. It consists of macaroni, it consists of rice, beans, chickpeas, sauce, hot sauce, tomato sauce, hot sauce. I think we also have fried onion. So I'm going to be trying this now. I'm going to show you guys how it is. Okay. That's not bad at all. Tastes good. Why does this give me pizza vibe? I can't wait to actually try this. I'm going to try this very common Egyptian meal. It's called hawashi. It's basically stuffed pita bread. That's beef stuffed pita bread. And from my research, some of them sometimes contain cheese, and it's usually dipped in. This is tahini. It's basically sesame paste, basically blended sesame paste that serves as a dipping sauce. So I've tried the first part of this, and well, I'm going to try it again. Probably I'll have a different opinion. Hmm. This is like basically like a burger without the bread in it, and I feel like considering our type of food in Nigeria, I feel like this is definitely something you guys want to try because it's close to home. It's not doesn't taste really different. It tastes very familiar. So if you find yourself in Egypt, make sure you try hawashi, and don't forget to include the dipping sauce called tahini. I think it's really good. Finally, food. Ooh, okay. I can't wait to see what's inside. So guys, if you want to always want to cook for yourself even when you go on vacation, or probably you have a kitchen where you stay and you can cook, and that option you can explore is going to the grocery store to buy your stuff and actually cooking your meals by yourself. Of course, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I kind of figured I definitely would find pasta or spaghetti or indomie somehow.
This chicken,
Chicken, yeah, chicken is fine.
one,
No, how much is one?
5 pound,
5. Give me 10.
10,
Yes.
10 عندهم فراخ.
Now, one important tip I must not leave out is whenever you're going to the market or supermarket, or basically leaving your hotel or your lodge or your apartment, wherever you stay in Egypt, make sure you have your internet connection on and you have your Google Translate open on your phone because most people actually speak Arabic. You will hardly find anybody who can speak any piece of English. So the best thing you want to do for yourself, so you don't end up get missing, is to type what you want on Google Translate and then show the translation to whoever it is you want to communicate with. Another thing you want to do is when you're traveling, make sure you carry your yaji pepper, your chili pepper, your dry pepper, any kind of pepper, because Egyptians don't actually eat pepper. Their foods are usually with little or no spice. So if you're like me who likes spice, make sure you carry some kind of pepper, okay? Another thing you want to do is also carry provisions because when you arrive, you're not really sure what to expect. Even though you might have a guide, you really want something to fall back, on in any case of quick fix. So please try as much as you can to carry provisions. Here I was trying to buy pepper, basically vegetables. I did not find red pepper, but I could manage green pepper, which is not hot, but just for aesthetics now, for the food to look good, I had to buy green pepper and onions.